Hi, I'm Brad Allin. I'm an instructor with the American Karate Federation. This video is how to construct an indoor freestanding Makiwara. And as you can see, the Makiwara fits into the storage closet easily. This is the finished product. And this is the view from the rear. The design criteria for the Makiwara was that it had to be able to be used indoors and thus mobile. And then we wanted to be able to make one that we could put into a closet to get it out of the way. This was the closet I was going to store the Makiwara in. So I measured the dimensions that the Makiwara had to fit into, and then we went ahead and fit the design. The Makiwara is designed to be built with a single 2x12, 8 feet long. It is two 2x12s stacked on top of each other, so the 2x12s are bolted together. I show the location of the bolts here. The length of the top piece of the 2x12, shown here in green, is in fact the depth of the closet. My closet is 28 inches. And the width, of course, of the door is the width of these base pieces of the Makiwara. There was also a metal piece, which I was able to find just from Home Depot. This little base is easy to purchase, and it does hold a 4x4 securely. So you bolt the pieces together and bolt the additional base on top. The second set of construction is to add 4x4s on either side to hold a 1-inch pipe threaded on each side with caps. The 1-inch pipe will be holding the weights that will anchor the Makiwara to the ground. I tried various things to anchor a Makiwara, water, jugs, things like that. Nothing worked as well as metal plates. Metal plates are easily obtainable from people that have started workout but then stopped, and you can buy them relatively inexpensively, or of course you can buy them new as well. This shows the construction. I countersunk screws. I use screws instead of bolts because if you use the screws, you can maintain a flat bottom that won't catch on any carpet or any other surface inside your home. I counterstruck the screws so that you'd have a smooth surface here as well. These are the 4x4s and then a large screw going all the way down. Of course, the 1-inch pipe can be fixed easily with items you can get from Home Depot. This is the brace I got. I also added an additional support behind. I don't think that's necessary, but I used one of these and then just used washers as shims here to make sure that this was smooth and level. We also added padding on the back, as this section will be back up against a wall, and that will avoid any damage to your home. We also did a one-piece Makiwara construction. We cut this and then added a pad. I made the Makiwara used in this video with a single 4x4. If you have a single 4x4 about 6 feet in length, you can cut it diagonally and then shape actually 2 different Makiwara that you can use. Makiwara is just put up against the wall, and then at that point we'll load the Makiwara with the metal plates. The Makiwara is just placed against the wall. We then load the metal plates on the 1-inch pipe. As I mentioned, the 1-inch pipe is threaded so that we can then put a cap on the end to hold the weights in place during exercise. So we found through trial and error that it took about 250 pounds of weight to get a very stable, stiff, traditional feel to the Makiwara. You can make the Makiwara firmer or less firm based upon the amount of weight you put on each of the arms. One of the design advantages of this particular design is, as you can see, it is out and away from the wall. So although it also allows solid inline techniques, you can do techniques from the side, you can do elbow techniques and step in and beyond the device, you can do kicking techniques high, so it does give you a range of attack options. Sensei Newman will demonstrate the use of this Makiwara in karate training.
In the American Karate Federation, we introduced the Makiwara after the student is awarded the first black belt. The easiest way to demonstrate how we apply the Makiwara to techniques learned in the kata is to use the center punch, and I'll do that now. Approach the Makiwara with a standard center punch so that you can just barely touch the pad. Then, depending upon how strong, brave, or lucky you feel, move a little bit closer, deliver a center punch, and see if you have the right distance to complete the blow. To show another technique in the Makiwara and to demonstrate that this design can handle some robust blows, I'll use an elbow. See, the Makiwara in this design holds up pretty well against a serious blow.